Book 1, Chapter 2 of Dune by Frank Herbert is a pivotal chapter that delves deep into the schemes and characters of the Harkonnen faction, presenting a stark juxtaposition against the noble virtues typically associated with House Atreides. This chapter is rich with exposition, introducing the reader to the central antagonists of the story, setting up the intricate web of deception and conflict that defines much of the narrative. The chapter opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, which serves to underscore the theme of duality that permeates the novel, highlighting the necessity of understanding Muad'Dib through the lens of his adversaries, the Harkonnens. It's a foreshadowing of the deep-seated enmity and the contrasting ideologies between the two houses, implicitly suggesting that the very essence of Muad'Dib's identity and his revolutionary stance can only be fully comprehended in relation to the darkness represented by the Harkonnens. At the heart of the chapter is the nefarious Baron Vladimir Harkonnen, whose grotesque physical appearance, marked by his immense weight and reliance on anti-gravity suspensors for mobility, belies his cunning and ruthless intelligence. The Baron is the archetype of corruption and decadence, contrasting sharply with the honor and integrity of Duke Leto Atreides. The Baron's dialogue with his nephew Feyd-Rautha and his twisted mentat, Peter de Vries, unfolds their intricate plot against House Atreides. Peter de Vries, a mentat who provides the Baron with analytical prowess in a universe where computers are abhorred and outlawed, exemplifies the perverse utilization of human potential for malevolent purposes. This highlights the theme of human capacity, the augmentation of human abilities for either noble or nefarious ends, which is a recurring motif in the novel. Their scheme is multi-layered, involving the simulacrum of treachery by Lady Jessica, the deliberate distraction of the Atreides' mentat Thufir Hawat, and the ultimate betrayal by Dr. Wellington Yueh. The inclusion of the Sardaukar, the Emperor's elite troops, in their plan underscores the depth of the Baron's ambition and the extent of the collusion that threatens House Atreides, suggesting that the conflict is not merely between houses, but involves the very power structures of the Imperium. The chapter is crucial for setting the stage for the arrival of House Atreides on Arrakis. It conveys the perilous political landscape into which they are stepping, foreshadows the trials they will face, and establishes the Harkonnens as formidable, cunning adversaries. The intricacy of the plot against the Atreides not only showcases the Baron's Machiavellian intellect, but also sets a tone of intrigue and treachery that permeates the tale of Dune. Through the detailed plotting, character introductions, and thematic exposition, Chapter 2 lays down the foundational conflicts and allegiances that drive the narrative forward. It underscores the novel's exploration of power, betrayal, and the potential for both nobility and depravity within the human spirit. If this video was helpful to you, please help out the channel by hitting the like button and leaving a comment down below so I can continue to make videos like this one. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.